All right, this is my summer road trip of 2018. We left August 11th, really early in the morning. Went through Pennsylvania, Ohio, Indiana, Louisiana, Illinois, Montana, Oklahoma, and Texas. Pretty sure I got them all. It was a 22-and-a-half-hour drive. It was insane, but it was really fun. We tried to take pictures of all the state signs, but didn't work out for every single one of them. We got to the hotel early, 5:11 in the morning, and we couldn't check in, so we had to sleep in the car. It wasn't fun, but we did it anyway. We checked in, and then we went to the Palo Duro Canyon State Park. It was really beautiful, great views. The canyon was gorgeous. It was really fun to hike down even to go see some things. Then we went to a small thing called Cadillac Ranch, where there are actually a whole bunch of Cadillacs stuck in the ground somehow, sticking out, and then over the years people have decided to spray paint them to leave their own mark on the Cadillacs and on the ranch, and it's become a really cute place. It was fun. Then we went to the American Quarter Horse Association Hall of Fame Museum. My sister really wanted to go there. It was really fun. It was interesting. We tried to go to the Botanical Gardens in Texas. Unfortunately, they were closed. So instead, we found this park that had this really pretty pond. So we took a couple pictures there. It was a really nice walk to just see Texas. I mean, a little bit of Texas, but to just see it. Saw this little duck. It was so cute. Then we picked up my grandfather and we went through New Mexico to Colorado with my grandfather. This trip was only 8 hours instead of 22 and a half. It was still a beautiful trip. New Mexico had so many deserts and there was one little town we went through. It was really cute. But no, it was a great trip, great road trip if you ever want to take one. But yeah, it was really fun. We went to see the sand dunes once we got to Colorado. These are amazing. They're mountains of sand which actually are known to move and refigure themselves throughout the seasons through wind and water, however they're moved, but they actually change their form depending on the season, and it's really great. Then we went to Denver, the city, the capital of Colorado, and we went to the Mile High point where we were a mile above sea level. It was a really great trip. We got to see my grandparents. My dad came to Colorado and helped us on our way home. It was really fun. The ride back, we went through a lot of states, Kansas, actually everything back, Ohio again, Pennsylvania, and then we eventually made our way home. Here are some sunsets too from the drives that were amazing to see in person. If you ever want to take a road trip, I would really suggest going through the Midwest. It was beautiful and I would never regret it.